For some reason, I just feel it's a bit lackluster.
Lackluster? This guy said lackluster. I am offended. I'm taken aback. So Gabe and I were standing around trying to decide what color combo we were going to do this week. And I had this weird thought, and I said, what about Plum Crazy Purple with ZTF HyperShift? ZTF is this really old school HyperShift that is just like rose red to gold. And Gabe, in his normal polite way, was like, what about this? And suggested something else. And I could see it right away. He didn't like it. And I said, yeah, that's a good one, but I don't know, I kind of think something about this Plum Crazy and ZGF. And Gabe's like, what about, and he made another suggestion. And now the ball's already rolling. I know he doesn't like it. I know it's making him nervous. And all that does is fuel the fire, because now I want to do it even more. So luckily, we came to the agreement that we're going to do Plum Crazy Purple, which is a gorgeous, underrated Performance Series color with ZGF HyperShift on top.
ZTF.
So I said ZTF? ZTF. It's, you didn't know what I meant. I would say it doesn't make a lot of sense to put a bright, goldish rose red over purple. This is ZTF. You can see that coppery, bronzy gold and that rose red. For some reason, the ones that sound like they're gonna look terrible just get me so excited. I don't know why. Maybe it's because most of the time they don't end up looking terrible and we get pleasantly surprised. And then once in a while, Gabe's intuitions are right and the things that worry him are for good reason. But today, we haven't discussed pigment load.
I would say keep it on the lighter side.
I've got 2 5-gram bags here, which would essentially come down to 5 a gallon.
Yeah.
Comfortable with that?
That's fine.
Are you afraid this is just going to look terrible? Or are you concerned that it just won't work and it will fail?
I don't think it'll fail.
The color combo together just makes you uncomfortable?
For some reason, I just feel it's a bit lackluster.
Lackluster? This guy said lackluster. I am offended. I'm taken aback. I think this is gonna look wild. Gold, anything that contrasts off of purple like a gold is gonna look nuts. And then that rose red over purple, we've never tried this before.
No.
That's maybe what makes me excited. We've never tried something like this before. And we've been doing this for 12 years. So when we find something that we can say we've never tried, it gets me freaking pumped. Let's give the old stick of truth a peek. Let me show you guys ZTF because we haven't shown it to you in so freaking long. I don't even know last time we did a video with this color, if at all. So you got this like bronzish gold and then this rose red. It's a simple color. As far as HyperShift goes, it's simple. But it's powerful. It's mysterious. And we're running it over Plum Crazy. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, we had some mixed feelings going into this one. I was excited. I thought it was gonna look really cool. Gabe, a little bit more hesitant, but it's not so much about what we think, because we do these videos for you, so you know exactly what you need to do. I'm gonna take it outside right now, get a good look at it, and leave a comment below and rate this color 1 through 5. 1, you're not feeling it at all. 5, you absolutely love it. If you want to dip your own car, whether it's the wheels, the emblems, or the whole thing, click right up here. We have all of our DIY kits in one place. If you have any questions about dipping your car, you know what to do. Contact us. We'd love to talk you guys through your projects. Can't wait to see what you guys think about this one. I had a ton of fun either way. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, well, the project wouldn't be complete if we didn't at least check in with Gabe and see what he thought. So what do you think about the end result?
It's a pleasant surprise.
You don't hate it as much as you thought you were going to?
Not at all.
Would you consider it underwhelming?
No.
Okay. I mean, if nothing else, it is completely different than anything we've ever done. So at least we've got that.
Correct.
Worth it?
Yeah.
All right.